If you're a content creator in 2026, these AI tools can literally save you hours of work every single week. From editing videos automatically, to creating thumbnails, to generating realistic AI voiceovers. These tools are honestly becoming insane, and the best part, most of them are free to use. So today, I'm showing you 3 of the best AI tools every content creator should know right now. Let's get started. The first tool is CapCut, and honestly, almost every creator is using this already. CapCut is one of the easiest AI video editors right now. You can add automatic captions, remove background noise, generate AI effects, create shorts, and edit videos insanely fast. One of the best features is auto captions. Instead of manually adding subtitles, AI does everything automatically, which saves creators a huge amount of time. And if you create shorts or TikTok content, this tool is almost perfect. The second tool is Canva AI. Most people think Canva is just for simple designs, but now it has powerful AI features too. You can create YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, presentations, logos, and even AI-generated images. And honestly, for beginner creators, this is one of the easiest design tools available. The best part is that you don't need professional editing skills. AI templates and tools handle most of the work for you, which makes content creation much faster. Now the third tool is probably the craziest one, 11 Labs. This AI can generate ultra-realistic voiceovers in seconds. You can create YouTube narrations, AI voices, podcast audio, and even realistic voice cloning. And honestly, some of the voices sound almost human. A lot of creators are already using AI voice tools like this for videos, storytelling, and content production, which means you can create professional voiceovers without expensive microphones or recording setups. Honestly, AI tools are changing content creation completely, and creators who learn these tools early are going to have a massive advantage. If you want more videos about AI tools, future technology, and creator hacks, subscribe to Smart Tech AI and drop a like.